Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Paul Corney, Egoskowski, Arthur M. Young is called the father of helicopters. The first helicopter was made in 1907. It was fitted with two engines. Its first flight was on November 1907. After that, company started making modern types of helicopters. But traveling by helicopter can only be the hobby of rich people. So viewers, in today's video, we will tell you about a very expensive and luxury helicopters. Number 7, Sikorsky S-76. This helicopter has long been used for VIP tours. Its speed is 287 kilometers per hour. Its range is 287. This helicopter has a very beautiful cabin. It can seat 8 people. It costs $12 million US. Number 6, Bell 525 Relentless. This helicopter was invented by American company Bell. It is very expensive helicopter. It can fly at a speed of 269 kilometers per hour. It can travel VIP to 1,037 kilometers, in which 16 people can travel. The cost of this helicopter is $15 million US. The first flight of this helicopter was in 1st July 2015. It has 2 turbosoft engines. Number 5, Augusta Westland EW101. This is a medium-sized helicopter. It has 3 engines. The speed of this helicopter is 170 miles per hour. This VIP helicopter is mostly used in India, USA, Japan, and Saudi Arabia. In addition, this helicopter is used for rescue and military operation. Number 4, Airbus Helicopter H155. This helicopter was introduced in 1999. This helicopter is mostly used for military services. It is a very expensive helicopter. It is valued at $14 million. Its height is 4 feet and width 7 feet, length 8 feet. It can carry 30 people and has 2 engines. Its top speed is 266 kilometers per hour. Number 3, Augusta Westland EW109. This helicopter was introduced in 1976. It is loved despite being so old, but over time, more advanced technology has been used and it was used in VIP. AW109 has a top speed of 177 miles per hour. It is also used in military and rescue. It has 2 engines and 8 people on board. Number 2, Eurocopter E145. This helicopter has 2 engines. It has a speed of 270 kilometers per hour and can carry 9 people. This is a medium-sized helicopter and its cost $8.7 million. The first name of this helicopter was EC145, but its new updated version EC145T2 renamed in 2015 H145. It was introduced in 2002. Its first flight was on June 12, 1999. Number 1, Sikorsky S-92. It is very luxury and comfortable helicopter. Its speed is 280 kilometers per hour. This helicopter can travel in all weather. This helicopter is very expensive and its cost $2,700 million US. So viewers, these were the most expensive and luxury helicopters in the world. Thank you so much for watching this video.